Hello and welcome to Kuala Lumpur Airport. After having fun eating street food and got diarrhea in downtown KL, it's time to go home. Today I'm flying Malaysia Airlines MH72 to Hong Kong. Please join me and let's go to check-in. I have a Oneworld Sapphire status that allows me to use the priority check-in at KLIA. Despite this being priority check-in, it's very busy with long lines. It's hard to imagine how busy general check-in is. Malaysia Airlines is really proud of their new A350 aircraft. As you can see, it's advertised at every corner in the immigration hall. I flew the A350 to Bangkok earlier this year. Check out the flight review and cabin tour available in the description box down below. Even though KLIA to Hong Kong is a relatively short flight, just a bit over 3 hours, my flight is departing from the satellite building because A330 is a wide-body aircraft where it usually departs from the satellite building. This provides me a great chance to visit the brand new Malaysia Airlines Satellite Golden Lounge. This is a bar with some great view. That's a Cafe Dragon arriving from Hong Kong. All the way down is the dining hall. It's one big dining hall with many types of food available, such as traditional Malaysian dish laksa and Western breakfast. I really like the new lounge. It's spacious and bright with delicious food. I won't hesitate and have a long transfer at this airport with this brilliant lounge. The only criticism I have is the design of the doors in the toilet. It feels very uncomfortable that you can see outside when you're doing your business, even though I understand people outside can't see you. My flight today departs from gate C12. Like Singapore Airport, there's additional security check at the boarding gate. This is the A330 that will bring me to Hong Kong this morning, 9am MTO. Malaysia Airlines Airbus A330 Economy Class has a standard 242 configuration. Each seat offers a seat pitch of 32 inch and a seat width of 17.5 inch. I flew into Malaysia in the Economy Plus cabin. Please check that review out. It will be in the description box down below. Excellent leg room for a short flight. Let me show you the seat features. Here's a touchscreen TV which is adjustable. Down here we've got a remote. Next to it, a USB port. And then a large foldable tray table, which I struggle to open it. I struggle to close it too. Each seat offers a very generous recline. Every economy class passenger gets a headset, a blanket and a pillow. You can switch on the reading light and turn on the aircon by reaching your hand on the overhead panel.
Portable electronic devices to flight mode before switching it off. If you wish to use it in flight when allowed. All portable electronic devices must be switched off for the takeoff and landing.
Should be ready to depart about 10 minutes, right as our scheduled departure time. We'll be taking off off runway 32 right connected with north-westerly direction. From there on, we'll be turning right. Turning off over here to try the security capital. flying over the South China Sea.
I can't really hear the pilot announcement that well, because of the chaos caused by passengers who want to switch their seats.
Generally good, despite the cloudy. Weather on arrival in Hong Kong is expected to be good. You can expect temperature in the region of 25 to 26 degrees Celsius on arrival.
To Hong Kong is now ready for departure. Please switch off all electronic devices and remove them from the in-seat power supply system. For the ground personnel, kindly leave the aircraft as we are ready for departure. I am Stephen Lee, your cabin crew in charge. Call us if you need any assistance. Meanwhile, sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, a video presentation on the safety features and evacuation procedures will be screened shortly. As the safety procedures on this aircraft may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to our safety briefing. For your information, smoking is not permitted, including electronic cigarettes. Recharging of this device is also not permitted, and it must be safely stored in your carry-on baggage.
Malaysia Airlines safety video is one of my favourite.
Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is very important to us at Malaysia Airlines. So please listen carefully as we take you through some important safety features specific to this aircraft, as it may differ from other types of aircraft. Aisles and exits clear. Fasten your seatbelt by pushing the two metal ends together until they click and pull to tighten.
Shortly after takeoff, there's a short Oneworld ad. It's dated, but I love it. The touchscreen is not very responsive, as you can see. Some new movies are available, but I'm afraid the options aren't enough. The flight map system isn't an interactive one. Before breakfast was served, the cabin crew came around and gave us a welcome drink. I think this is a really nice touch. Breakfast comes with a complimentary drink, and I got myself a cup of water. For the main, I got nasi lemak, which is a traditional Malaysian dish. I liked it so much, although it's a little bit spicy. If you order nasi lemak, you get a pack of peanuts and dry fish, which you can mix it with the dish. Along with the hot dish, there's some fruits and a cup of yogurt. Overall, a very enjoyable meal. I really like the nasi lemak. I hope I pronounced it correctly. The lavatory on board is clean and neat. A According to the flight purser, the cabin crew need to spray some sort of chemical in the cabin due to instruction given by the Hong Kong government. Before landing, we have to hand in our headset to the cabin crew. As always, our aircraft is requested to fly around Hong Kong before landing due to heavy traffic. As always, I enjoyed my flight with Malaysia Airlines. The seat is comfortable that I think is also good enough for a long haul flight. The cabin crew are friendly and always have a smile on their face. Entertainment wise, the A330 hasn't got a great variety of movies. The food on board was excellent. It was certainly great to have Malaysian dish on a Malaysian airline.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Hong Kong International Airport.
Crew disarm all doors and coaches.
I have done a cabin tour of the Malaysian Airlines A330 Economy Class, Economy Plus and Business Class. Be sure to check that video out. Thank you so much for joining me on this flight. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you have liked, commented, shared and subscribed. Thank you.